Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to rectify and resurrect a suspended account on Freshdesk using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer and account for Freshdesk. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start the tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Click on this, wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, let's now go to Freshdesk. Let's now click on freshworks.com and then make sure that you are signed into the account. Let's go to account. If your account has been suspended, you will see a message on top of the screen that says account has been suspended. To regain access, please buy now. Let's now change the plan to Great British Pounds. And if we cannot buy now, what we will do is switch to free. So this is ideal for small teams needing a basic help desk with a shared inbox and knowledge base. So we can now switch to free. Activate the free plan. The subscription itself has been updated. So we are on the free plan. We have 2 agent seats. If we want to ever upgrade, these are the plans that we can upgrade: Growth, Pro, Enterprise, and whatnot. So go to the dashboard, go to tickets, and that's how you recover a suspended account on Freshdesk. So we can now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys on a tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.